Yenze sokuqaphelizwa ke manje. Baba Mashobane,
Yebo.
ngicela ukuthatha leli thuba ngibongele umzansi wonke ekuthenini ube indoda ethembekile emsebenzini wakho nanokuyinikela futhi ekuthenini noma kabe uyingozi kangakanani ukugijimisa lezi gebengu enigijimisana nazo. Futhi bathe angibonge nobaba Khumalo lapha emva kwakho indoda ebopha kakhulu.
He's
So
exposed.
ngithunywa abantu nabo. Ngicela ungichazisele i-character kababa uMkhwanazi ukwazi kwakho ngokumazi kwakho ngokusheshsha nje.
Ubaba Mkhwanazi, Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi, KZN.
Yes sir.
A very difficult character to almost everybody. I met him when I came to Pretoria at a long time ago. He was here already. So he is a person that is not easily understood by most of the people. But he is a committed person on more especially on serving the people of this country.
Uyathembeka mhlawumbe.
According to me, uthembeke kakhulu.
Now uyamthemba.
Kakhulu.
Ubaba uSibe uyamthemba?
Ha.
Awumthembi.
Ha.
Njengoba u-investigator kulezi zinto oyitholile, khona into oyitholile ezubugebengu noma eyisolisa ukuthi angaboshwa?
Ubaba uSibe.
Baba uSibe.
Ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi yes now kodwa khona there are lots of possibilities.
Bezinto esola ukuthi ungambopha.
Yeah.
Uvinjwa yini ukuthi umbophe?
Point of order, Chair.
Tikhuba Baba Mashobane. Uthe uvinjwe yini ungabophi ubaba uSibe?
Ubaba uSibe, like any other person who is subject of investigation, has to be arrested when the investigation is complete. We don't believe in investigating after arresting. So in most of our cases, that's how we work, and that's what we are encouraging with the PKTT methodology. So whoever is a suspect needs to be investigated and then arrested when we are done.
Uthe ubaba uSibe wena wazi lutho ngesiphoyisa ukaze awuna experience. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uphade yachi lo okubophile unolwazi ngaye mhlambe ne-experience yakhe.
According to the profile that I'm having of Patriarch, the profile, I worked with him when we were both at Crime Intelligence. I've never heard of him doing any investigation. I met him at Crime Intelligence. I left him at Crime Intelligence until then he went on pension or resigned, something like that. So
Okay.
that is what I know about him.
So ungakwazi wakha na experience.
No, I don't.
Because ubaba Nqolo yakubuza la ukuthi ubaba Mkhwanazi uthe ukuboshwa kwakho bekuyi project. Phinde wathi ukuvalwa kwe-PKTT was a project. Manje umbuzo enginawo uthi le project kahle kahle beyisiza abantu. Ubani lo bekazoboshwa after i-31 or ngoJanuary makuzophuma iletha? Ubani lo bekumele nimbophe kwagijima kwaphuma iletha ngokusheshsha ukuthi vimbani benibamba abantu?
There are a lot, baningi, Mhlonishwa,
Awungepha bawu4 nje kuphela ngifuna ubona ukuthi uthembakele. Oh.
okusivimbayo kunye ukuthi umthetho wase South Africa uthi asikwazi ukusho singakamvezi umuntu enkantolo.
ngoba isikhathi sami sesizongishaya uWinnie Mandela wesikhashana ukubophile.
Point of order, Chair.
Yes. Makukhuluma mina-ke ngiphazanyiswe bese ushiye athathe isikhathi sami-ke asifake lapho. Kodwa lo 13 minutes wami osele angiwusebenzise kahle. Bengibuza indaba yakamama uWinnie Mandela wesikhashana samanje. Umama uWinnie Mandela ukubophile. Mangilandele indaba yakho ngithi ukubophile lapha e-airport wakuvimba kufaka uzankosi wabukisa ngawe. Kodwa mangilandelela indaba yakhona umama Johnson, Andre Johnson advocate. Naye wenza into efanayo yokuthi ahlaleke yena futhi yakhe iWest ngoba wahlala nendoda yakhe kwi-panel waba khona lapho ubuye aqambe namanga ukuthi waphumela ngaphandle. So baba Mashobane wena-ke sowuhlulwa yini ukuthi uyombopha-ke yena-ke nawe sowufound out ukuthi ukushayela into efana nale yenzela usabeni ubandiswe yini?
Ngiyabonga mhlonipheki lapha. No, akukho kubambile kodwa one ucabanga ukuthi when the time is right kufanele kwenziwe into right. Okwamanje sisadila nalo mcimbi lo wami.
Isekhona le ndaba yokuthi iqala libola ngithi ikhona esibhedlela.
Yeah, because
Lingaboli ke mphathi futhi usheshe ngoba uyamosha. Nginenkinga la. Ngokubuka kwakho umuntu onjani umuntu njani mhlawumbe olalela ugogo uMeridi Haas bese athatha isinqumo. Umuntu onjani othatha leyo umlalelayo lo mama amlalele bese athi hayi angisithathe lesi sinqumo. Kusuke kuwumuntu onjani? Mhlambe kwalithola ithuba wambukela ugogo uMeridi Haas mayekhuluma kulamalanga nathi ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uminister umbona umuntu onjani noma umuntu onjani uthatha isinqumo ngenxa kaMeridi Haas.
uma kuwumuntu ophelele ngokomqondo, umuntu angazi kahle igama lesizulu desperate ukuthi I can take whatever that I can make a reason. Because out of everything that umama uDihase is saying, there is nothing akukho kwenza isense ongakulalela kwenza isense.
Usho ukuthi baMashobane nawe ucabanga njengoba ngicabanga ukuthi kunenkulumo oyivezile la wathi buye kwaba ne-interdict efakwayo makumele nibopha abantu. Kwase kubulawa ama-witnesses enu. Sase yasiphuma i-judgment emva kwalokho. Kodwa mayiphuma i-judgment iphuma sewabulewa amalokhunja ama-witness. Ngibuyela la ekuthenini kuba nento emeli yenzeke bese uphuma iletha nge-31 evimba ukuthi ningasaqhubeki manini kanjalo. Kuthiwa immediate stop. Then emva kwalokho kuba nezigameko ezenzakalayo. Suddenly sekuthiwa no immediate ubungasho ukuthi mani manje qhubekani. Yini le ethengwe lesikhathi yavinjwa noma kwangaboshwa labantu laba bekumele baboshwe. Ngisabuza futhi ukuthi obani labantu bekumele baboshwe kulesi sikhathi lesi le window period lethengiwe bekuthengelwani ngoba into kaMeridi Haas ayingenzeli isense ukuthi kungaba yiyona ethathwe ngayo isinqumo. Mina-ke ngivumelana naye ubaba uMqhunu mayethi akasithathanga isinqumo ngenxa kamama uMeridi Haas but usithathe ngesinqumo ngoba khona ekuvimbayo. Wena uphikisana nami lapho thini makuthi uyaphikisana phathi?
Angiphikisani nawe through you chair. Ingakho nje ubufakazi bami kwi-affidavit buna those suspicions ukuthi it cannot be because onke lama reason afaka even umama uDihase aqhamuka after the decision in terms of the investigation. Our investigation is very wide. Yes, siyavuma ukuthi ikhubazekile as besiqala take down and then we were on the roll. Sihamba sithi sifuna ukwenza impact as quickly as possible. Yaphazamiseka. Kodwa yaphazamiseka kabili iphazamisekile ngama-disbandment nama-uncertainties between January and June. Then June saboshwa, yaphinde yaphazamiseka further. So almost ngonyaka wonke, but siyazama ukuthi siyibuyisele on track.
Are you promising mina nama South Africans ukuthi lezi nyanga ezu2 event lami la ngaphandle lobe ligcwele?
Yeah, isathembisa.
Okay.
Isathembisa.
Ubaba uFan, uGeneral Fan, wathi yena office lakhe aliyibonanga into wrong ngetender kaKhet Matlala. Ngokwazi kwakho kukhona into wrong le tender la Khet Matlala?
Emva kokulalela ama-discussions, ngethula ufakazi ngithe thina operational people asazi lutho ngama-tender issues. But okwasithusa ukuthi after our operation, and then everybody came out talking as if they are like us. They did not, babengayazi the tender. Ithe besingayazi tender. Siqala ukuyizwa kuma-court papers. Futhi siqala ukuyizwa on the 6th during the discussion no Matlala sitshela ukuthi une-tender and usebenzisa even permission yokusebenzisa i-hospital college wayithola through wayediscussa no-General Sibiya, things like that.
Cabanga ukuthi uChair usezongivalisa. Kodwa ngicela ukwenza nasi isithembiso. Ngoba ngixakwe into kaBaba uMawumela la. Uma nithathela umuntu izinto niyibamba usuke kunecala lapho, right?
Yeah.
Suke kumoshakele crime leyo, right? So kune crime or something. So akaboshwanga ngani uMawumela makuthathwa la Lamborghini akhe uselendlini yena kodwa izinto ziyahamba. Kuza kanjani lokho?
Kuncika kwi-investigation approach esetshenziswayo i-team ephenyayo. I-team ephenyayo njengamanje ile ebizwa nge-SIU. So indlela le eqala isebenze ngayo ukuthi iqale ifreeze ama-assets bese iyaqhubeka ne-investigation.
Before ngibuya ngizobuya kulelo lephuzu leli. Kule story lezi ezikhulunywa ngobabucele Ndosi ukuthi uthe kuma kuKhet Matlala ka fabricate izitori zama Rolex watch nama laptop. Uyayikholwa ukuthi ikhona le nto le show uKhet?
Le mina engitshelwe ubaba uNdosi.
Ehhe.
Ngiyayikholwa ngoba siyithole kuqala before even I was even told by him. Siyithole kuqala ukuthi uKhet was seen wearing the same Rolex watch by other people saying the same thing, which I was influenced ukuthi must frame these charges. So sikholwa ngalokho it was not for the first time.
And who was the influencer?
uGeneral Sibiya.
uSibiya.
Yeah.
So nalapho futhi akafuna ukubapha uSibiya.
Those are allegations that we investigate.
Ngithembisa nakho njengesishaya mthetho nami engikubonayo la okuvimbe wena ukuthi uqede lama arrest. Yabo manje sibalekelwe enye indoda ebathi uPaulo Sullivan. Kumile ile phesheya. Silibaza umthetho lo osebenzisayo wala South Africa kuthiwa iRoman Dutch law. Ngoba ngabe sebenzisa wethu umthetho. Labantu ngabe bala eSouth Africa futhi ngabe abanye babo baboshiwe. So ngiyabona ukuthi common denominator la is this constitution engayona yama South Africans that I think we should consider as members of parliament in fixing and focusing on the laws that are hindering amaphoyisa to arrest people. You'll find a person or repeal 3 days uphumile ungaphandle. You'll find a murderer uphumile ungaphandle because of this the Roman Dutch law. So I promise to you Babu Khumalo ukuthi sizosebenza ngamandla sungkhonto noma ngeke ngithi thina ama members of parliament ukuthi siwushintshe lona mthetho onivimbayo ukuthi omama labo Owen Mandela abamanje abanibophayo manisebenza banivimba ukuthi nibopha abantu basebenzise lowo mthetho ukuthi banivalele ukuze nivimbeke ningabopha abantu abafanele. Isithembiso sami le, Nkosi ibusise. Ngiyabonga Mshobane.
Ngiyabonga, Mhlonishwa.